Hi everyone, my name is Haley, and today we will be discussing the use of the iChauffeur app and other helpful tools on ABC Worldwide Transportation's company iPads. Let's get started. At ABC, chauffeurs utilize their iPads for every aspect of the job, from receiving reservations to coding a job complete. The iPad is an important tool for success. Take a moment to turn your iPad on. Once on, a home screen will appear. Here are all of your available applications. Click on the iChauffeur icon to access the app. To receive jobs in the application, you will need to log in. Logins are specific to each chauffeur and will work on any assigned iPad. User ID is your assigned driver number, and password is the last four of your Social Security. Once logged in, chauffeurs will see their main screen. This screen shows the chauffeur's assigned trip information. If previously scheduled, there might be more than one trip listed. Chauffeurs' reservations will include details such as stops, drop-off locations, type of vehicle assigned, and the reservation number. If your trip has multiple stop points, a note, like this one circled in red, will be apparent on the screen. To view the pickup, stop locations, and drop-off points, click on the reservation number to expand the details. If the client has a specific request or instruction for the chauffeur, this will be noted in a place called Trip Notes. Chauffeurs may view trip notes by opening the trip ID. All special requests will be located in this section for chauffeurs to view. Chauffeurs can access passenger information, such as their mobile number and/or email address, by clicking on the Detail button under the passenger's name. Chauffeurs can also activate a passenger's name on a full screen display by tapping on their current trip and clicking the Display Sign button. All name signs can be displayed in portrait or landscape view. If there are multiple passenger names, all names listed will automatically scroll on the display sign. If chauffeurs return to the login screen of their iChauffeur application, there is a feature called Quick Sign. This tool is designed to allow chauffeurs to make edits to the existing display signs for clients without having to access the reservation. By clicking on the Quick Sign tab and then clicking Edit, chauffeurs can add passenger or company names to the digital sign. Coding is a very important part of ABC. Drivers must code on their iPads to communicate with dispatch the portion of the trip they are completing. To change the code of the trip status, chauffeurs can tap into their current trip, which will highlight in yellow, and then click the Status button. This screen shows the 5 steps of coding. Code 1 indicates that the job is dispatched. Code 2 shows that the chauffeur is on their way. The third status shows dispatch that a chauffeur has arrived at the designated pickup location. Code 4 indicates that all customers are in the car, and Code 5 shows that a chauffeur has completed their job and is ready for more work or to be released for the day. Getting the customer to where they are going is also an important part of a chauffeur's job at ABC. iChauffeur has a built-in map function that inputs all locations a chauffeur must go to complete a specified trip. Click the map icon for access. This is an example of what a mapped trip may look like. Beginning and ending locations will be shown and any additional stops that are scheduled. Chauffeurs also have access to a turn-by-turn direction prompt. This feature takes chauffeurs from beginning to end of a trip by prompting each direction. Once a trip is completed, it is important to enter your parking and tolls associated with the trip. This can be done by submitting these numbers into a section called Chauffeur Data. Once in Chauffeur Data, chauffeurs can enter garage time of vehicles, enter any additional costs, and record extra gratuity given from trips. Once data is entered, it is important to click the Save button in the top right-hand corner. Chauffeurs must submit their trip data after every completed trip. A job coded Done will not leave the main chauffeur screen until then. This is to ensure that dispatch and accounting receive your added expenses and vehicle information. If you need to view a previously completed trip to fill in information or simply enter in out-of-pocket expenses, this can be done by tapping the Set button. This will take you to a reservation filter screen. Toggle Show Done Trips Only on. Once on, click Done to view your completed trips. We are excited to get you on the road to test out the iChauffeur application. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your chauffeur manager or dispatch personnel. Thank you.